Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Redmi 10 and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings, let's tap on it, and here let's scroll down to the very bottom and find additional settings. As you can see, on the first position we've got date and time, and after entering here we can check that we've got some options to customize. So the date, time and time zone options are inactive, and it is because we are using network provided time and time zone. So first of all, let's turn off those options in order to be able to manually set the date time. So let me tap on date firstly, and as you can see, just by swiping you can pick the date you want to set. Tap on OK, it will be immediately activated and applied. The same situation with the time, just by swiping pick the one you would like to set, tap on OK, and it will immediately also appear on the status bar. And the same situation with the time zone, just tap on it, pick the region, and as you can see here we've got the full list of all available regions from which we can choose. So all you have to do is to simply find the one you'd like to set and tap on it. So I will pick this one. And sometimes you will be also able to pick some more, you will have more customization. So let me pick this. And as you can see, everything went fine. We just changed the time zone, but be aware that after changing it, the time will also change according to it. Under the time zone, we've got the time format. So right now we've got automatic option, but we can manually decide if we want to use 12 or 24-hour format. It's up to you. So I'll pick, for example, this one. And under it, we've got also the dual clock. So actually, this is it. This is the whole customization of date and time. Of course, you can get back to all previous settings. Just tap on this auto option, tap on those switchers to use network provided time and time zone. So actually, this is it. This is how to change date and time in your Redmi 10. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.